Good day. My name is Jules Clinton 19, 27 years old, butcher deboner from the Philippines. Today I will show you how to debone half carcass of swine. First, I will sharpen my knife. Second, remove the left right together with the kidney. Remove the tenderloin. Then I will perform the primal cut. These are the parts: lower and hind part, middle consists of belly and loin, upper and the shoulder part. Now perform to debone lower part. Remove the hand leg. Remove the H bone together with tail. Remove some excess skin. And lastly, remove the femur bone. These are the parts: round, top round, shoulder side round, and the eye round. Now proceed to debone the upper, which is the shoulder. Sharpen the knife again. Remove some blood clots and defects. Then I'll make a round to remove the shoulder leg. Remove the neck bone together with the ribs. Remove some excess fats. Cut the connection between the humerus bone and the shoulder blade or scapula. Remove the scapula. This is the scapula. And lastly, remove the shoulder leg. These are the parts: Houston butt skin collar butt, picnic, and the biscuit.